Top 10 Deadly Attacks from Exotic Pets. Mark Vogel, 30, was found dead in his Dortmund, Germany apartment. His body was draped in spider webs, and more than 200 spiders, several snakes, thousands of termites, and a gecko were feasting on his corpse. His black widow, Bettina, is believed to have administered the deadly bite. He was dead for somewhere between 7 and 14 days when his corpse was found. Kelly Ann Walls was mauled to death by her pet black bear. Kelly reportedly had a pet black bear, an African lion, and a Bengal tiger, all of which she kept in cages at her home. Walls was cleaning out the cage, had her back turned to the bear after giving it some dog food when it attacked her. Kelly Ann Walls was 37 years old. A 44-year-old woman died after being bitten by one of her venomous snakes. Her modest, unassuming two-story house was home to at least 9 poisonous snakes, and more than a dozen other snakes, lizards, and alligators. An Australian woman was killed by a pet camel given to her as a 60th birthday present after the animal apparently tried to have sex with her. The 10-month-old animal knocked Pam Weaver to the ground, stomped on her head, and then lay on top of her at her sheep and cattle property near Mitchell. "66-year-old Norman Buwalda from Ontario was mauled to death by his 300-kilogram pet tiger. He was the chairman of the Canadian Exotic Animal Owners Association. And actively fought for the right to keep dangerous big cats as pets. Buwalda entered the cage of one of his pet tigers alone, and for some unknown reason, it attacked and killed him. A Hardin County man who kept exotic animals was apparently attacked and killed by a pet African lion. He didn't lock a gate between the lion's large enclosure and a smaller pen, where the animal should have been moved while the area was being cleaned. Sandra L. Piovazin bled to death after being mauled by a pack of 9 wolf dogs that she had raised as pets. And was so devoted to that, she once told a neighbor they give me unqualified love. she was found in a caged rectangular enclosure in her backyard, home for 9 half-wolves, half-dogs. A man was killed by his own pet bull a day before his 53rd birthday after being attacked by the temperamental animal. Ricky Weinhold was attacked by the 1-ton bull on a farm where he leased barn space in Wernersville, northwest of Philadelphia. A Slovenian who saved his 3 dogs from being put down for attacking humans was himself mauled to death by them. The 3 dogs bit their 52-year-old owner to death in Ljubljana. A man has become the first person in the U.S. to be killed by a pet boa constrictor. Corey Byrne died after the 9-foot-long snake wrapped himself around his shoulders and neck, strangling him. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye. Watch more.